whole fillet of beef is a luxury ingredient. In this video, we show how to tie the chunky end for a classic chateaubriand roast, how to cut even steaks, sometimes called tournedos, and suggest ways to use the thin tail end of the fillet. This silver skin must be removed as it is very tight and tough and will cause the beef to twist during the cooking process. Slip a thin-bladed knife under it and strip it away. The thick piece at the head of the fillet should be cut and cooked as a special roast. It is known as a chateaubriand, and this one weighs around 700 grams and would be enough for 4 people. The even-sized trunk of the fillet can be cut into even steaks, sometimes known as tournedos. Here we have cut 4 of them. The thin end section can be sliced for a quick stir fry, can be finely chopped for steak tartare, can be quickly cooked for a minute steak or a steak sandwich, or used to make a pan sauté dish that might be finished with some good stock and cream to make a small amount of rich sauce. Here we have sufficient for 2 to 3 portions. So although a whole fillet is expensive, there is almost no waste, and it has yielded 10 to 11 portions. The chateaubriand needs to be tied to keep a good shape in the oven. Take good quality kitchen string and proceed to tie the first loop around the meat. Then loop the string around your hand and slip it under the meat, keeping the distance between each loop nice and even. Cut the string, leaving a good amount to thread under each loop on the underside of the chunk to lace up the 2 ties from the top and bottom. Rub the roast with extra virgin olive oil and pepper it generously. The meat will be salted after cooking. A roast such as this would be sealed in a pan on top of the stove and then finished in the oven.